everyone, today I'm coming on to show you how to use inexpensive Dollar Tree items and more to make a lovely wedding centerpiece for this spring/summer wedding season. And these are the items that we're going to be using for today's DIY, items from the Dollar Tree and some bling items and more. Okay, so we're going to start off with a square container that I have from the Dollar Tree. It's a hard plastic, nice and sturdy. It's a hard plastic container. And if it's your first time here, I'd like to say welcome. And to my oldies and my goodies, thank you for coming on and seeing how we're going to make this DIY today. Okay, so we're going to be using some crushed glass from Michael's, clear crushed glass. And we're going to be using some Mod Podge to lay it on our container. As you see here, I took some painter's tape and just lined out, going right around our vase. So now I'm just going to add the Mod Podge, going right around. And now we're just going to be sprinkling our crushed glass. So I'm just going to continue adding the Mod Podge and the crushed glass, going all the way around, and then I will set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, it's been a few hours and now our crushed glass is all dry. So we're going to go back over with some more Mod Podge to help seal in our crushed glass. And now I'm just going to use some glitter to add to our crushed glass. I like adding glitter, so I have that extra shine to my crushed glass. You don't have to, but your girl likes to put glitter on hers. So I'm just going to continue sealing in the crushed glass, adding the glitter all the way around, and then I will set it aside to dry for a few hours. And this is the other part of our DIY, which I already added the crushed glass, so it's all dry now. And again, I'm going to add the Mod Podge, going right around to help seal in the crushed glass, and I will be adding some glitter to this one also. And then I will set everything aside to dry. So now our vase is all dry. So now I am going to add some of this Bling Chain here that I got from BeeBeeCraft. And we're going to use some Gorilla Glue and glue everything going around our bottom part of our vase, because this is the bottom part. And now I'm going to be adding this chain here that I also got from BeeBeeCraft, going around our vase. Alright everyone, here's the other piece of our centerpiece, the top part. Again, I'll be coming in with some more of the Glam chain, using some of our Gorilla Glue to lay it going right around the vase. You would be here now, and I respect that you didn't take that from me. Girl, you respect yourself. And next I'll be adding this Bling Chain going right around using some of our Gorilla Glue. And all of these nice bling that I got from BeeBeeCraft, I will have the link to them down in the description bar, so you guys can just go down there, click on the link and check and get some for yourself. And now that we have our two pieces done, I'll be using some of our Gorilla Glue and gluing our two pieces together. Alright everyone, when I glued our two pieces together, as you could see here, I could see the top part of the bottom part of our vase. So I'm just going to use some of this crushed glass and add it to the little corners that are showing, make it look a lot a lot more neater. So we're just using the Mod Podge and adding the crushed glass to the four corners. So I'm just gonna set this aside to let it dry for a few hours. And here is our finished look. Our lovely spring/summer wedding centerpiece decor. And I added some of the Dollar Tree, oh god, what they call it? The string lights? Sorry. I added some of the string lights to the bottom of each of our vase, the top piece and the bottom piece, to give it a nice look. I like how it turned out. And our crushed glass looks absolutely lovely on the bottom and the top piece of our centerpiece. So you could take Dollar Tree inexpensive items, add a few more bling pieces to it, and you have a lovely piece of decor for your wedding season. And here we go with some flowers inside. You can add any kind of colors, whatever your color theme is for your wedding venue. Just add those colors in with your flowers and it looks absolutely beautiful. Or you can add water and put floating candles in this too. That would look lovely. I think I love floating candles. And like I said, once again, using inexpensive Dollar Tree items, and you have a lovely wedding decor for yourself. You could use it as the main event for your tables, or you could even use it for a bridal shower. All that, or you'll save a lot of money doing it yourself. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's wedding decor idea. So that's all your girls got for you. And I do hope you give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, I do hope you will hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I have to share with you. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.